Welcome to Real Talk English with Emma, your friendly English coach. Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to help you learn how to talk about yourself in English, a very important skill when you're meeting new people, applying for a job, or just starting to learn the language.
And I'm Tom. We'll guide you through basic introductions, talking about your job or studies, describing your daily routine, hobbies, and even your future goals.
Let's start with something simple, introducing yourself. Tom, can you give an example?
Sure. Hi, my name is Tom. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm an English teacher, and I love meeting new people.
Great. Now let's break that down for listeners. Useful phrases. My name is. I am from. I am. Years old. I live in. I work as. I am a student. I like. I enjoy. Practice tip. Try saying your name, where you're from, your age, and one thing you enjoy.
Emma, what would you say if someone asked you, what do you do?
I'd say, I work as a content writer. I write blogs and social media posts for a company.
That's a great example. If you're a student, you could say, I am a university student. I study computer science.
Also, you can explain why you like your job or field of study. Example, I enjoy my job because I get to be creative and help people learn new things. Now let's talk about your daily routine. Tom, what does your day look like?
Well, I usually wake up at 7 a.m., drink coffee, and start work at 9. I work until 5 p.m., then I go for a walk or cook dinner.
Simple and clear. Try to use time expressions. Key sentence starters. I wake up at, I go to work, school at, in the evening on weekends I usually, practice example. I usually wake up at 6:30. I go to school at 8. After school, I study and play football.
Now let's make it personal. Emma, what do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading novels, watching K-dramas, and cooking. I also go swimming on weekends.
That's awesome. Listeners, talk about what you enjoy and why. Helpful phrases. I'm really into. I'm a big fan of. I enjoy. My favorite hobby is. I like to. Practice example. I'm really into photography. I love taking pictures of nature and people.
What about the future? What are your goals?
I want to travel to Europe next year. I also plan to take a cooking class. Or, my goal is to improve my English so I can study abroad. Useful future tense phrases. I'm planning to. I want to. My goal is to. In the future, I hope to. One day, I'd like to.
It's good to use the future tense, like will, want to, and going to.
Let's review what we learned today. How to introduce yourself. Talk about your job or studies. Describe your daily routine. Share hobbies. Talk about your future plans.
Great job, everyone. Practice speaking out loud. Try recording yourself or talk with a friend.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to follow our podcast and come back for more English conversations.
And if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to click subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can join us next time.
Bye for now. See you next time on Real Talk English Podcast.